Welcome to Haringey Learns, Haringey Council's adult learning service. My name is Angelique Gregor-Svich-Townsend and I'm the principal. We're located on the second and third floors of Wood Green Library, a few minutes walk from the tube station. Whatever your learning journey is, Haringey Learns is a warm and welcoming place to study. I wish you all the very best of luck.
Hello, my name is Alaume Olamuwaju and I am the Quality Manager and Designated Safeguarding Lead at Haringey Learns. Haringey Learns is committed to safeguarding and promoting the welfare of all learners, particularly the vulnerable. It is very important that we look after each other and that you look after yourself. You will be taken through a few steps to ensure that we work, learn and study in an environment that is safe and promotes well-being for all.
My name is Sally Avams and I'm the Curriculum Development Coordinator for Learning Support at Haringey Learns. Our safeguarding responsibility is to protect from harm within appropriate measures. It's essential that we're all mindful of our behaviours. If you become aware of something that's making you uncomfortable or worried, or if you hear about or see something that has happened to another learner that's not right, please tell someone. You can speak to your teacher, a member of staff, or a member of the Haringey Learns safeguarding team.
My name is Shravantika Dasgupta and I'm the Functional Skills and Career Development Manager at Haringey Learns. You will be able to see the members of the safeguarding team in the posters around the building. Safeguarding is everyone's responsibility. Always report signs or behaviors of concern to someone who can help you. Finally, please make sure you always wear your student ID card in your lanyard when you are at Haringey Learns. It helps us know you are a learner, so we can ensure your safety.
Thank you for listening and watching, and good luck with your studies.